Chocolate cake without oven, stovetop method. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, pinch of salt, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, half cup milk, half cup yogurt, quarter cup oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Grease a cake tin with oil and dust with flour. Set aside. In a bowl, sift together flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt. In another bowl, mix sugar, yogurt, milk, oil, and vanilla extract until smooth. Gradually add dry ingredients to the wet and mix. Stir until there are no lumps. Preheat a deep pan or pressure cooker for 5 minutes on low heat. Place a stand inside. Pour batter into the tin. Tap to remove air bubbles. Place on the stand inside the cooker. Close the lid without the whistle. Cook on low-medium heat for 35 to 45 minutes. Check with a toothpick. Let the cake cool before demolding. Frost or serve plain and enjoy.